access reports for payroll under the reports tab of remuneration. For example, if you had to go and give a report to IRS, because you have to write a check to the Internal Revenue Service, you would generate here a list of personnel on PAYE, and you pick here the day you paid, and you get a report like this. So you're just going to attach this report to your check so that the Internal Revenue Service or your tax authority can do their internal reconciliation. Okay, great. Now let's look at how to update the tax identification number and the Snape number. On your personnel file here, when you scroll down to the payroll info section, you can see there's a text box for the TIN. So you need to indicate the TIN. For example, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and social security number needs to also be indicated. Let's say SX 123990. Alright, that's what you do to update the income tax number and the social security number. But while I'm at it, I also want to specify the bank and branch of this employee. James Ingram is the name of the bank account, and my bank account number is this one. Okay, what is this information used for? This information is used on one of the reports that you can send to your bank, instructing your bank to make payments on your behalf as a company. Because if you have 50 employees, you might not want to write 50 checks. You might just have an arrangement with your bankers. So every month when you run the payroll, you send to them a list of people to pay along with the account numbers. So your bank will debit they will credit your account, so to say, from an accounting standpoint. They will take out the money from your company account and they will transfer it according to your instruction to all the various accounts that you have provided. So in order for us to be able to get a report like that, we need to put in the information. So I'm going to save this and we're going to look at the pay slip to see the update. So let's reload, and there you have it. You can see the tax identification number is showing now and the SNET number is also showing on the pay slip. So that's how to do that. So let's look at this other report that you can send to the bank called the payroll summary report. So again, you need to indicate that you want a report for a duration. So I just want a report for 30th June, and this is what it looks like. So you can see the branch here. You can see the branch, the company name, home office, and then it tells you the summary of personnel remuneration. It's just showing you the net and the allowance and the deductions. The bank doesn't need information on the IRS and the SNET deductions. So this is only going to show that which is applicable to the bank sending money into the employee's account. And so it's going to show you the list of all your employees, their name, their bank account name, the particular bank and branch, and then the account number. So this information can be downloaded, and then you can attach this as a document in an email to your bankers, instructing them to pay. So what they will need is available over here, the name of the account, holder, and then they need the account holder's name, and then they need the branch, and they need the account number. Awesome. And so the total amount that the bank will actually transfer will be what is in the amount payable column. That's what will be transferred. Great. So that's how to pull up a report that you can send in an email instruction to your bankers to pay your workers. You can also have a single pay slip for an employee. So for example, if you come on the pay slips here and you wanted to just so let me do this for purposes of demonstration. I'm going to run a payroll again, having another employee. So let's say this one is Paul Banyan. So I've added a new personnel. Now let's run the payroll again. I'm skipping the pay grade because I want to pay everyone in the home office branch. So you can see that it's paid James Ingram and it's also paid Paul Bunyan, though they are on different pay grades. Alright. So at any time you can print a single pay slip by just going in and clicking on print. And there's a pay slip for James Ingram. And then you can also come on the pay slips and access it the same way.